Good morning! Sarap tulog mo?
Sarap.
Sarap yan?
Sarap.
Breakfast! Good morning!
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you!
Morning, sir. Morning, ma'am.
Morning! Oh, nice! Hash brown. They have bread and cereal. Good morning. What? Egg station. Hi. Can I have omelette? Yeah, everything in. Except the oil.
Except olives.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, ito lang po.
Thank you. There's an egg station.
Gusto mo ng dried pusit?
Yes.
Sana po daw. Gusto mo ng sa Herman.
Good morning. So, second day. Lamig. So this is what I will wear for today. Pero may dress akong dala para sa special night. Pero naka-rubber shoes ako. Kasi hindi naman kami fussy. So kailangan ko mag-rubber shoes kasi I know we will be walking around and probably sprinting to get things done. Kasi mas maraming preps for the special night. And we are back lang dito sa hotel bago kami bumalik or pumunta dun sa venue. We just had our breakfast. Oh, paano ba isara to? Yun. Ay, masarap matulog. Gusto ko pang humiga. Thank you. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently here outside the balcony. Kita niyo to, yung fog. Ayan. Grabe yung fog dito sa Tagaytay. Gantong oras. Parang kanina pa yung fog. Well, actually, ang lakas ng ulan. So, umulan na malakas. Parang biglaan lang talaga na malakas yung ulan. Bumuho siya. Then afterwards, ayun, uminit saglit. Tapos ngayon, sobrang lamig na ulit. Foggy na siya. Please don't mind my voice. I know it's mababa and parang malat. Dala yan sa kakahiyaw at kakatawa ng malakas from one of the sessions. And after that session kasi, nagkaroon ng Q&A portion. So yun, grabe yung tawa namin. Sobrang bentang-benta sa akin yung speaker. And nakakatuwa kasi even though paulit-ulit kami uma-attend ng Inseparables Couples Retreat, parati kaming may natututunang bago. Well, I cannot speak for my husband, but ako mismo, marami akong natutunan bago. Siguro, kaya rin ako, or kaya rin kami lagi pumupunta sa mga ganito. Kasi gusto namin yung, alam mo yun, yung sustained yung learning and para kasing may constant reminders eh. Gosh, inaantok na ako. Grabe yung pagod today. Well, pagod kami majority of the times kapag facilitators kami kasi iba yung pagod kapag facilitator ka. Aside from the physical exhaustion, kapag FASI ka, syempre mentally and emotionally, madadrain ka because you wanted to understand everything na nangyayari sa buhay ng mga participants mo or breakout members mo. And as much as possible, you wanted to share something na, you wanted to be the salt and light and you wanted to give clarity. Kaya nga, pag may tanong yung mga participants kasi either they don't know the answer or they are confused on something else. As a facilitator, it is really our role and responsibility to facilitate the processing towards an idea or towards a realization. And may mga discussion questions naman, so okay din. So going back to my learnings and yung recap for today. This morning, grabe, sa praise and worship pa lang, grabe na iyak ko. Well, to be honest, sobrang galing kasi ng praise and worship team kanina. Well, lagi naman. Sobrang galing lagi ng praise and worship team ng Inseparable. Pero kasi kaninang umaga, parang iba eh. Very different yung dating sa akin ng praise and worship because as I was seeing all those couples, naluluha ako pag naalala ko. As I was seeing all those couples na umattend ng retreat, kahit second day pa lang, kita mo sila nandun, parang sobrang nakaka-bless na alam mo yun, ang daming problema sa mundo, ang daming problema sa pwedeng pera, career, and whatnot. They are all here choosing to support and to strengthen their marriage. And of course, knowing what they can do to fix anything na nagiging problema nila sa ngayon. Or siguro future problems nila. So that's one. Seeing all those attendees, nakaka-bless yung buhay nila. Kasi alam ko sa sarili ko na sobrang sulit yung pinunta nila. Sulit yung pagpunta nila, sulit yung matututunan nila na beyond the gastos, beyond the expenses or the costs na kailangan lang ipundar para maka-attend sa retreat na to. Sobrang sulit. And second one, seeing all those couples na parati naming nakakasama tuwing may Inseparables Couples Retreat. Nakaka-bless din. Sobra. Kasi, well, umattend kami batch 2 ng retreat. After batch 2, so batch 3 hanggang ngayon, batch 6, lagi kami nagvo-volunteer and lagi namin sila nakakasama. And with that, unti-unti nakikilala namin sila lahat. Di pa naman lahat, pero sama may nakikilala kami na mga families, mga couples na their lives, their struggles, their lives before, well, their life testimonies and how God really changed their heart, God changed their life, God allowed them to turn away 180 degrees na pag-turn away from the sin or the past sins, ganyan. And all of those people na biniyayaan ng Panginoon ng another chance on their marriage, despite the backstory, despite how unimaginable, well, for the lack of the better term, unimaginable yung backstory nila as husband and wife. And now seeing them all together organizing this wonderful retreat, giving their best, giving their time, talent, and treasures. And, you know, itong mga taong to may mga posisyon sa kumpanya, public servant, yung iba dito, mga business owners, and they really spend their time serving the Lord through helping one marriage at a time. Ay, naluha ako. So, yun. Tapos, ternohan mo pa ng magaling na praise and worship team. Talagang iyak ko talaga kanina. But, to be clear, all of those tears are tears of joy. Ang saya ko na makasama yung mga ganong klaseng tao. I know John and I, my husband and I, are in the right circle, in the right group, because other things that we are trying to pursue in life, like business, a good or comfortable living, lahat yun, sobra-sobra pa yung meron sila. And still, they do not neglect serving the Lord. Parang malayo pa nga kami dun, pero hindi kami magsaserve, diba? Parang anong mangyayari sa amin yan, diba? So, grabe yung iyak ko nun. And then, napansin nga ako ni John, umiyak. And then, he asked me, okay lang ba ako? Sabi ko, yeah, it's tears of joy. And, din ako ng group leader ko. Kasi pag umiyak ako, mapula lahat eh. Mapula yung mata ko, mapula yung ilong ko, masakit na ulo ko, ganyan. So, nanong niya ako if I'm okay. Sabi ko, yeah, I'm okay. It's just tears of joy. Kasi last year, umiyak din ako praise and worship. Well, it's because of the ectopic pregnancy. Yung moving on part. But, moving on and grief na part. But, now, I know why all of those tears came out to be because sobrang grateful lang talaga ako sa Panginoon. And for the whole day, mabigat yung mga topics sa second day, but at the same time, sobrang saya nung ending. Because the second day will always have the special night. And us being not included in the facilitator pull list, again, hindi na naman namin alam mag-asawa ang gagawin namin. So, syempre, buti na lang, proactive naman kami na we always ask if there's anything that we can help or ano pa ba yung pwedeng naming maitulong. Ang tingin ko, dun nang gagaling din yung pagod ko because hindi tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho. Gagawin ko to, so pag nagawa ko isang task na binigay sa akin, ay hinto na ako. So, makikinig ako, mag-cellphone ako, makikinig ako, mag-cellphone ako. And then, another task will come in. So, parang tingin ko, dun nauubos yung energy ko sa ngayon. Hindi siya verified yet. But, tingin ko lang yan. Ganun yung nangyayari sa akin. Kasi, kung facilitator ka, talagang nakakapagod. And, you already know, we already know talaga, the emotional baggage, the physical requirement, and the preparation of the mind. All of those things are really important para mag-facilitate ka ng maayos. And being a facilitator, parang naging comfort zone talaga namin mag-asawa. Kasi nga, kahit wala kayo sabihin sa amin, aandar kami as facilitators. However, God has different plans. And I'm really grateful na we are entrusted to help out in the admin committee, admin that's under programs din. And nakakatuwa yung batch ngayon kasi dun sa isang topic na paano ba? Dun sa topic ng intimacy. Ayan, the topic of intimacy. Ang dami talagang nagtanong. Ang daming questions, and I prepared the papers for the questions ahead. However, makapal na yung nagawa ko Makapal na yung nagawa ko. Parang sobrang safe na yung ginawa kong paper, and sobra-sobra pa yon. Pero, dahil sa sobrang active ng batch na to, alam niyo yun sa intimacy questions, ang daming tanong na pinasa na naubos na yung oras talaga namin. And nakakatawa yung mga answers din ng mga panelists. So, nagugulat ako sa mga ganon. But then, nakakatuwa kasi a lot of those people hindi talaga alam yung ginagawa or gagawin pagdating sa intimacy. And sometimes, it's one of the reasons why they are facing troubles or problems in their marriages. And good thing may ganong topic kasi syempre everyone needs to be represented, and alam mo yung may experience talaga pagdating sa ganong topic. Sobrang credible, mga ganyan. So nakakatuwa. And aside from that, nung nag-open forum, marami pa rin humabol na questions about intimacy. But we also get to hear other questions like about the topics or rules or sa God's design, at the same time resolving conflicts, yung mga ganong bagay. And nakakatuwa na makitang natututo yung mga participants na they're really interested to listen kung ano yung isasagot ng speaker or panelist tungkol sa isang question na tingin ko nakaka-relate talaga sila. And as per usual na Inseparable Couples Retreat, the second day, it always ends with a special night. So, there's a lot of extra hands talaga kanina. And for the special night, nakakatuwa dahil hindi siya ganun katagal natapos. Maaga siya natapos. You know, as we are saying, in a joking way, ng asawa ko, ito talaga yung crowd na namin. Kasi pag pagod na kami, pagod na rin sila or mas pagod na yung participants. Kaya lang, kung singles pa rin ang mga kasama namin, pagod na kami. Yung mga singles magyaya pa kumain sa labas or hindi pa uuwi. Hindi na namin kaya yun. Ayun, nakakatawa lang kasi, nakakatuwa na ako. It's just that maganda talaga yung day 2 and really have no regrets in coming here. Kahit na hindi defined yung ibang ginagawa or gagawin namin kasi nga first time namin mag-work ng hindi kami facilitators. Well, there are checklists, there are procedures, there are process flows. However, still different kapag ikaw mismo yung gumagawa. And I guess that's a good learning curve from us mag-asawa kasi siya rin, nag-aaral din siya kung ano yung mga kailangan. And nakakatuwa kasi there are times na talagang siya yung nagtatanong kung ano yung gagawin. Yan. Na-appreciate ko yung husband ko for that. Yun lang. So, wala na ako masyadong ma-share sa inyo of what happened today. Pagod lang ako. Masakit yung paa ko. Yung isang magandang brand ng sapatos, pag masyadong matagal pala, masakit sa paa. So, hindi ko alam kung mag-shower ako ngayong gabi. Kaso, kailangan kong patanggalin muna yung sakit sa paa ko dahil baka mapasma ako. Yun. So, let's see. Anyway, I'll be ending this vlog now. Naantok na ako, guys. And we still have the third and last day of the retreat tomorrow. And probably, yung pinag-usapan namin ni John, baka sabayan namin yung check-out upon, leaving the hotel. Kasi, pag umalis kami dito, tuloy-tuloy na. Well, by lunchtime, pwede naman mag-check-out. Pero, pwede naman namin gawin ng maaga or before lunch. Ganyan. So, yun lang naman. Wala naman na ako ibang makwento sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. And, if umabot ka pa sa lugar na to, yung ending ng vlog na to, just know that I super appreciate you. And let me know how can I pray for you. leave them in the comment section and I'll definitely read them. I'll definitely include them in my prayer list. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!
Di ko kakayanin kung ika'y mawawala sa aking piling. Di ko kakayanin pag nalaman kung wala ng pag-ibig sa